knew 1 year ago that we'd still be working in a virtual world. Due to the pandemic, we're going to see some challenges in the months ahead. So take care of yourselves and your families and your friends. Our future is incredibly bright because of leaders like you. You're simply the best.
We are so excited and proud to welcome you to the prestigious Chairman's Club.
To become the most trusted nutrition company in the world, people of all generations also need to trust that we are caring, not just for people, but also for the planet. We are increasing our commitment to corporate social responsibility because it's the right thing to do and it's good for business.
It's one of the reasons I've fallen in love with Herbalife Nutrition. You know, I look out into the crowd and I see every background, every gender, every culture represented in the room.
Mark said, I want our future to be not only unlimited in its promise, but unlimited in its intent. So let's set our intent on becoming the most trusted nutrition company in the world. Together, I have no doubt we will.